All right, this is Peyton Smith, and this is my teaching presentation, which is about the PDO statements fetch and fetch all. This took a lot of research, and there's still plenty that I need to understand about this, but from my understanding, fetch and fetch all are used to go into the database and to fetch specific arrays and to return them in a specific structure. We can see here that fetch fetches the next qualifying row within the database, and the fetch all fetches all remaining qualifying rows. So you can see by using fetch style, which are all shown right here, you can actually tell it how you want those results returned, whether it's by name, by number, by both, and you can tell it what exactly you want it to return. I was able to find an example of this in our Acme site, and it's taken me a while to try to figure out exactly how it's working. But you can see here it's calling the fetch all PDO statement, and this is our essentially our categories within our MySQL database. So what it's doing is this is getting those categories to make our nav, and so it's actually fetching all of these. Let's see, and you can see within my MySQL, within that categories, it is fetching all of these that are qualifying, and it is delivering them so that they can be used within this nav. So essentially that fetch is just going into the database, finding those specific arrays, those specific rows, and delivering them. In this case, just delivering them normally, whereas you'd be able to use your fetch style to deliver them any way you want. And that is my teaching presentation.